important concept of mathematics, which is called greatest common divisor. It's very important in mathematics. And in this video, I want to make a program to calculate this and to find the greatest common divisor among two numbers and among many numbers if you want to make. So let's have a variable a is integer. Obviously it will be an input. Enter first number, for example, we want from the user, and b is assigned to integer. Enter second number. Let's have a while loop here, and while loop, this is a loop while a is not equal to 0, and this is a keyword in Python, and b is not equal to 0. If this condition is true, while a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, it means if both are true, both conditions, right side of the end keyword and left side of the end keyword, if both are true, then run this condition. If a is greater than b, a modulus equal to b, then if this condition is true, just check this condition. If this condition is true, run this. Else, if this condition is not true, else is equal to a or assigned to a. So let's come out of the loop, and we have a variable gcd, a plus b, and now let's print the gcd. What it means, this program means that it takes two numbers from the user. After that, it will check this condition, this while loop. If these conditions are true, it will check this condition, if statement. If this is true, it will run this. If not true, this, it will be run this. So that it will be, these two statements are out of the loop. This gcd is a plus b. After these conditions, after passing these conditions, gcd is assigned to a plus b, and we will print the gcd. Let's run this. While we run, it will ask a number. Enter first number. Let's have a number 300. Enter second number. Second number will be, for example, 23. And what will be the gcd or the greatest common divisor here? Obviously 1. Let's have another two numbers. So 128 and 48, for example. Let's see, 16 is the gcd of this. Let's clean this code, and we'll see the second one. I want to clean this one as well. Here, determine the amount of entered prime numbers. What does it mean? It means it takes some numbers from the user, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this, it takes many numbers from the user, and after that it will determine how many of them are prime numbers. For example, if one prime number, there will be the message, there is one prime number, one prime number. So let's see. We just import the math module. From math import this QRT means square root. Let's have this variable count will be initialized into 0. So let's have number here. Number, it will be an integer. It will be enter numbers. We just have this message to the user. And after that, there will be a while loop. We just use a while loop while number is greater or equal to 2. So this is prime flag. I've talked about flag here in previous videos, but here we just use this as a variable. While prime flag is true, then just run this for loop for I in range of 2, start from 2 until here. QRT, we have the number, just pass the number here, just plus 1. This is it, includes to the range. And just if this condition is true, just run this, and after that just run this condition. If number modulus I, which I from here, I of for loop, I equal to 0, this condition is true, then the prime flag, this variable will be false. Then after that, break. If not, just see this condition. If prime flag is equal to true, it means if this condition is true, just check this, and after that this condition. This is true. If prime flag is equal to true, then just increment the count variable by 1. And now there will be the number. Again, the number will be taken, enter number. Now just print that quantity of prime numbers or count. Just pass the count, and just we see that what will be. I want to remove the spaces here, because we should see the complete program in one. I've removed all the spaces. So this is the program. Program is ready. Let's run this. Now let's run this, and we see 5. We have entered 5, 101. For example, 12, any number, 5 numbers we want to enter here, 129, and for example 0.